Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Some of you of a certain vintage may remember a chain of stores back in the day called Blockbusters. This is one of those things that when you explain it to younger people, they look at you in slight disbelief. But Blockbusters used to be a video rental store. So you could go into Blockbusters and they would have a wide range of videos that you put in your video recorder at home, and you could watch movies on them. The really good Blockbusters had all kinds of old foreign movies, art house movies, cult movies, and then they'd have more recent Hollywood movies and so on. The reason I mention Blockbusters is because in one of my classes this week, a student of mine told me that she had read about how when Netflix was first starting up, they were offered to Blockbusters, or the chain that ran Blockbusters, and Blockbusters basically turned down the chance to buy Netflix on the cheap. Presumably they thought they had a solid business model with their bricks and mortar shops. I guess they thought that streaming would never catch on. As the student told me this, I was thinking about what the result of this appalling decision must have been inside the company. It's a bit like the music executives who turned down the chance to sign the Beatles or something. You know, you're kind of kissing goodbye to your chance to make a fortune. So I responded by saying, Jesus, seriously, God, I bet heads rolled after that. If you say heads roll, you mean people lose their jobs. They get the chop. I guess it's another guillotine metaphor. The idea of, getting the chop, having your head chopped off, losing your job in this kind of way. And it's often used in kind of work or business situations. So you might kind of say, oh God, when the boss finds out about this mistake, I bet heads will roll. Or maybe there's a widely held belief that heads should roll after the catastrophic losses the company has incurred over recent months. And you also sometimes hear it used on the news in the business sections. So they might be talking about investigations going on into the way a company has done its business, or also into the way that politicians have acted. It's used sometimes in the kind of political field as well. So you might hear something like, the investigation is due to report its findings next month. Whether any heads will roll as a result of the findings remains to be seen. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use heads roll.